Choose from multiple Bruno scooter lifts available for SUVs to easily secure and transport your personal mobility device. Bruno offers both interior and exterior lift options, each providing distinct advantages to best meet your needs and lifestyle. With interior scooter lifts, such as the Bruno Curbsider or Joey, you can transport your mobility device away from the elements. The interior Curbsider, which is a crane-styled lift rather than a platform, takes up less space when not in use. With exterior scooter lifts, such as the Outsider or Chariot, you can maintain all your seating and cargo area. Exterior lifts let you simply drive your mobility device on and off the platform and press a button to lift and stow the scooter or wheelchair. Talk to your Bruno scooter lift dealer about which lift would be best for your needs, SUV, and mobility device.